Hey guys, with the holidays around the corner, I thought I'd talk cleaning. In all honesty, I've gotten really good at the last minute cleaning. But one of the things that is a dead giveaway is the smell of all the different chemicals from the cleaners. The house may be clean, but now it smells like a science lab, and nobody wants their guests smelling that. My procrastinating self used a sample of Thieves cleaning spray that I got in my original starter kit, and I compared it to the cleaning wipes that I had on hand. I liked the results and the smell so much that I ended up cleaning not just my stove, but all my counters too. The awesome thing is that not only can I clean everything with this household cleaner, cabinets, hardwood floors, carpets, windows, but the cleaner itself helps keep my family healthy. One of the key ingredients is based off a historical blend of aromatics used by four thieves in France during a time when people were scared and dropping like flies. The thieves would go into their homes, rob them, and not get sick. It worked so well that when they were finally caught, they were given a lighter sentence in exchange for their secret recipe. Anyway, just smelling this stuff can put me in a cleaning mood. The thieves oil that's in the cleaner has cloves, lemons, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Um, I've heard it described as citrus and Christmas in a bottle. If this is the cleaner you want to use, even if it's just for the smell, then I would suggest the Thieves Premium Starter Kit. It's got a 15 milliliter bottle of the Thieves Oil blend, the Thieves toothpaste, the mouthwash, two bottles of the household cleaner, two bottles of their hand soap, um, the two little bottles of the cleaner for on the go for like restaurant tables, um, the carts at grocery stores, or or one of those plastic cafe tables outside or something. Um, you also get three bottles of their waterless hand purifier. And since this is a cleaning kit, um, if that's getting you all the cleaning from using your kit is getting you stressed out, well, they've also provided you with a sample bottle of their Stress Away. They provide you with a roller, so you just pop that in, roll it on your wrists, take a deep breath, and either stop for the day or take a break or keep going. Because they've also provided you with two samples of their natural energy drink. So there's that. You also get, they send you some Thieves mints, and once you're all done, you can relax with their essential oils magazine. Um, Young Living is selling this for $160. That's about $93 off their regular retail price. And that's not including what you would save from not buying your old regular cleaning products. I've provided a link above this video to get you started for your kit, and a link for the glass bottle that you'll need for your household cleaner. So message me. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more posts like this, or any ideas you may have. Let me know. Feel free to ask me questions in the comments or message me. And P.S., I've heard these cleaning kits might be part of the Black Friday sale. I will let you know on the 27th for sure. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.